This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Caldwell County Sheriff's Office is searching for ZOEY Grace Teniente. ZOEY is a 10-year-old Hispanic female, approximately 4 foot 10 inches tall, weighing 110 pounds. She has brown hair and brown eyes. ZOEY was last seen wearing a pink short-sleeved shirt, black pants, and white shoes. The abductor, Jan Maine Bryant, is described as a white female, 5 foot 6 inches tall, with brown hair, last seen wearing glasses and a red shirt with black pants. They were last seen leaving 2969 Playmore Beach Road, Morganton, North Carolina, in an older red two-door hatchback with Jesus Saves written in black spray paint all over the vehicle. If you have any information regarding the abduction, call Caldwell County Sheriff's Office immediately at 828-758-2324 or call 911 or star 47. Again, this is an Amber Alert for a child abduction.